Lovely, lovely. My name is Jim, and for the next 3 days I shall be looking after you, okay? Now, however, before we set off, just a couple of things that I need to cover. Health and safety dictates that I tell you about these little orange hammers. Should the tour not be going to your liking, you take these hammers, break the windows and escape anytime you wish. That's a joke, folks. That's a joke. All joking apart, these have to be used in case we have to make an emergency exit, okay, to break the windows. Hot teas and coffees, okay on the coach. No hot food. The reason we do not have hot food is people get nauseous and are sick. And you don't want that on a 3-day trip to Skye. What else? Seatbelts. Seatbelts must be worn. It's the law in the UK, okay? Other than that, mobile phones. I would be extremely grateful if you could refrain from making calls on the coach. There is nothing worse than someone babbling on the phone when I'm trying to deliver an experience for everyone. So if you can, if you need to take or make a telephone call, please do it off the coach, okay? One other very important piece of information. I go off-piste when I do my trip to Skye to embellish your experience, okay? And this will mean that when we travel from the mainland to the island of Skye, we shall be going via the last hand-operated turntable ferry in the world. It is a unique experience. You will be able to see seals, sea eagles. However, it will cost you £5 cash, and if you do not enjoy the experience, I will personally give you your money back. Okay, how does that sound? Okay. Lots of other tour guides do not do this. I do this because it embellishes your experience. Okay. We shall make lots of stops. Not so many today because we've got a long way to travel. And on one occasion today we will be 2 hours between comfort break opportunities. I shall let you know. We shall be doing. This is my little map that I have previously prepared. Edinburgh, our lunch today will be in Glencoe, at the Glencoe Visitor Centre. Beautiful, beautiful place for lunch. Then make our way up from the mainland to the Isle of Skye via the last turntable ferry in the world. Okay, our first stop today will be in 15 to 20 minutes time at the bridges to take in the beauty and the engineering exploits of the Victorians, and a tea and a coffee and a comfort break. Now, you guys will get warm today. I shall put the aircon full blast.
Day 1, I Love Skye Tour. So nasa first stop tayo ng I Love Skye Tour. Ito sa bridge. Kung kita niyo sila, ayan sila. So, iyan namang bridge na yun. Buti nga nakita siya sa video. Kasi sobrang foggy nung morning na yan. Para kang nasa movie na The Mist. Pero yan yung first stopover nyo. Pwede kayo magwiwi dyan or bumili ng coffee or mga sandwiches kasi may mga cafe dyan sa tapat siya. Next stop is Loch Lubnaig. Ayan. So, ba't kayo mayo friend? So, eto, feels niya is parang nasa Switzerland ka. Doon, di pa ako nakarating doon. Pero ganun yung vibe na pinapakita niya. Kasi may clear na water. Tapos may mga bundok. So, tas ang ganda pa ng weather. So, di ba?
It's an old
railway line and now a cycle path, walkway, stretching for 90 miles from Glasgow to Fort William, the West Island Way. Now in the 1960s, an MP by the name of Beeching decided that he was going to close all the non-profitable railway lines in the UK. This is one of the railway lines that was closed in the 1960s. Used by cyclists, walkers and a very special breed of individual called a Monroe bagger. In the Victorian era, a gentleman by the name of Hugh Monroe came up to Scotland and decided he was going to measure the height of Scotland's mountains. Every mountain that is over 3,000 feet high is defined as a Monroe. Each time you climb one of these Monroes, it is then further defined as bagging a Monroe, hence the expression Monroe baggers. There are 282 Monroes in Scotland. Some individuals have climbed these 282 peaks twice, 3 times over. No television in their house, no time to watch it. The tallest of which is Ben Nevis, which is over 4,400 feet high, which is not significantly high when you consider other mountains and mountain ranges throughout the world. However, if climbing these peaks you have to take them into consideration, Scotland's weather, we can get 4 seasons in 1 hour, and again and again. And as we pass through Fort William, later on today we shall be passing Ben Nevis.
Welcome to Three Sisters. Ako lang ba, pero parang yung bilang ko dyan 4. Tingnan nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero anyways, Three Sisters yung tawag nila dyan. May story behind that, pero google nyo lang. So ito yung mga part na sobrang scenic at maganda yung view habang nasa kami daan. So ganyan yung traditional na bahay nila. Ito naman feels niya is Batanes. Hindi pa rin ako nakapunta doon, pero yun yung pinapakit, yung tsura ng mga bahay nila doon eh. Parang kamukha niya eh. So, yeah. Stop is Ben Nevis. So, ito yung highest peak sa buong UK. Pero hindi siya ganun kataas sa UK. Yan. Medyo groggy na ako dyan kasi nag-bonamin ako anti-biyahilo. Kilala ko na yung sarili ko. So, pag mga ganyang biyahe na mga zigzag, pataas, pababa, tsaka yung sasakyan coach, mahiluhin ako talaga, kaya pansin nyo groggy na ako dyan. So ito naman feels ko nasa Taal tayo dyan. Tagaytay pala. So ayan, pasakay na tayo, malapit na tayo dyan sumakay sa last turntable ferry. So hindi namin gets yan, hindi pala nakikinig noong una, pero umiikot yung ferry dyan. Ayan na siya. Dumiretso ka dyan, Mayley. Gusto mo ba? Ang babaw lang naman yan eh.
Ay, ano ba? Nasa likod tayo. Kasi babaliktad.
Saan yung view?
Nasa kapila.
Oh, Nakasaharang eh.
Iikot naman yan.
Malamig po ang hangin po. Yes po. Ay, tayo ng ano niya. Sama na lang ng gano'n. Freezing. Ayan, so narinig nyo nga, sobrang mahangin dyan sa ferry obviously. Kaya medyo malamig siya. And gamit ko dyan is Ray-Ban, kaya yung stabilization niya is medyo malikot siya. So nakakahilo, pasensya na.
Nasa puwet na naman.
Ito yung harap. Itong mga kasama namin sa tour, sobrang prepared sila. May mga nakabonet pa dyan at saka puffer jacket. Kasi, well, summer dyan eh. Kasi mga nasa 20s pa rin dyan. So, medyo mainit pa rin siya. Kaya lang, ito nga yung part na to is mahangin talaga. So, good job kayo dyan.
Right on the corner, right?
Ako, kapag ako nalagyan siya, pag nalutang ko, hindi na ako huwi.
Ang liksi nitong batang to.
Ayun sila, naglabasan sila.
Nag-aaral pa lang siya. So ayan, nakarating na tayo sa Port 3, Isle of Skye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Watch out for day 2.